Hello friends, welcome to Bankers Radar YouTube channel. வீடியோவில் இணைந்த அனைவருக்கும் பேங்கர்ஸ் ரடார் யூடியூப் சேனல் சார்பாக மிக்க நன்றி. இன்னைக்கு கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் வீக்லி குவிஸ் ஆகஸ்ட் 29 டு செப்டம்பர் 4 பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், which day is observed as National Sports Day? இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர் 29th ஆகஸ்ட். Second question, name the Prime Minister of Japan who has resigned from the post due to poor health. இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர் ஷின்சோ அபே. Third question, where will the 3 bamboo clusters to be developed in Jammu and Kashmir for the making of bamboo basketry, agarbatti and bamboo charcoal? இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர் ஜம்மு, கட்ரா அண்ட் சம்பா. Fourth question, according to the latest estimates of gross domestic product GDP, the Indian economy has experienced a contraction of how many percentage in the first quarter of April-June of 2020-2021? இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர் 23.9%. Fifth question, American Chadwick Boseman, who passed away in August 2020, was related to which profession? இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர் ஆக்டர். Name the former Indian president who passed away recently. He served as the Indian president from 2012 to 2017 and was also honored with the Bharat Ratna in 2019. இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர் பிரணாப் முகர்ஜி. Seventh question, name the remote control medical trolley developed by the Indian Railways to help deliver food and medicines to COVID-19 patients. இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர் மெட்பாட். Eighth question, as per the announcement made by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, which of the following month will be observed as Nutrition Month in the year 2020? The question can answer September. Ninth question, name the Tamil Nadu Congress leader and Kanyakumari MP who passed away recently. In the question can answer Hari Krishnan Vasandakumar. 10th question, world's largest solar tree has been developed by the CSIR CME-RI and has been installed at the residential colony of CSIR CME-RI in the question can answer Durgapur, West Bengal. 11th question, India will receive an official development assistance ODA loan of an amount of rupees 3,500 crores from the government of which country? In the question can answer Japan. 12th question, name the Mercedes driver who has won the Formula 1 Belgian Grand Prix 2020. In the question can answer Lewis Hamilton. 13th question, name the person whose term as the chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes has been extended by the Government of India by 6 months. In the question can answer Pramod Chandra Modi. 14th question, name the noted Indian cardiologist who passed away recently. She was the first female cardiologist of India and was popularly known as the godmother of cardiology. In the question can answer Dr. S. Padmavati. 15th question, to promote the culture of cycling in the country, the Cycling Federation of India CFI will host the first ever cycling summit in which year? The question can answer 2021. 16th question, name the Bollywood filmmaker who has authored a book titled The Big Thoughts of Little Love. The question can answer Karan Johar. 17th question, who among the following has assumed charge as the Chairman and Managing Director of Defense Shipbuilder Hindustan Shipyard Limited HSL at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. The question can answer Hemant Khatri. 18th question. Name the free of cost mobile scanner application recently launched by the students of IIT Bombay. In the question can answer hair scanner. 19th question. Name the person who has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Lebanon. The question can answer Mustafa Hadib. 20th question. The Cycling Federation of India CFI will host the cycling summit in which place in 2021? The question can answer Bangalore. 21st question. Which of the following state recently launched a campaign named Gandagi Bharat Chodo? The question can answer Madhya Pradesh. 22nd question. Union Cabinet has approved Mission Karma Yogi, which is a capacity building program for which category of individuals? The question can answer civil servants. 23rd question. Who among the following is the first woman Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security BCAS? In the question can answer Usha Pade. 24th question. What is the rank of India in the 13th edition of the Global Innovation Index 2020? The question can answer 48. 25th question. Which of the following country tops in the Global Innovation Index 2020 rankings? The question can answer Switzerland. 26th question. Which union territories have launched One Nation, One Ration Card scheme on integrated management of public distribution system IMPDS? In the question can answer Lakshadweep and Ladakh. 27th question. Who among the following has been appointed as new Chief Executive Officer of Railway Board? The question can answer VK Yadav. 28th question. National Nutrition Week is observed from when to when? The question can answer 1st September to 7th September. 29th question. Who was the present Minister of State in the Ministry of Jai Shakti? In the question can answer Ratan Lal Kataria. 30th question. The Government of India has set the target to achieve 1 billion tons coal production by which financial year? The question can answer 2023 to 2024. 31st question. Who among the following has been given the charge of the Chairman and Managing Director of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited BPCL? The question can answer K. Padmakar. 32nd question. Who is the author of the book The Commonwealth of Cricket, a lifelong love affair with the most subtle and sophisticated game known to the humankind? The question can answer Ramachandra Guha. 33rd question. The Olympic sky racing champion Victoria Rebensburg has recently announced a retirement from the sports. She represented which country? The question can answer Germany. 34th question. Which Indian university has achieved the highest rank in the World University Rankings 2021? The question can answer Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. 35th question. Name the Indian company which has emerged as the top solar power developer in the world in 2019. The question can answer Adani Green Energy. 36th question. Which state has announced to set up exclusive anti-electricity theft police stations in every district to address the problem of frequent cases of power theft? In the question can answer Uttar Pradesh. 37th question. LIGO is an artificial intelligence powered voice chat box launched on Google Assistant by which insurance company? The question can answer ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. 38th question. India has launched the Trilateral Supply Chain Resilience Initiative SCRI for building a resilient supply chain in the Indo-Pacific region in association with which countries? In the question can answer Japan and Australia. 39th question. What is the amount of contract signed by Military of Defense for the supply of 6 Pinaka regiments to the Regiment of Artillery of the Indian Army? In the question can answer 2580 crores. 40th question. European Investment Bank has announced what amount for the Kanpur Metro project? The question can answer euro 650 million. 41st question. The Chavni COVID Yodha Sankarakshan Yojana has been launched by the government for? The question can answer for the employees working in cantonment areas across India. 42nd question. When is World Coconut Day observed? The question can answer September 2. 43rd question. Adani Group has recently acquired what percent of stake in Mumbai International Airport Limited? In the question can answer 74%. 44th question. Which country has launched an agri-commodity trading and sourcing e-market platform Agriota to bridge the gap between its food industry and rural farmers in India? The question can answer UAE. 45th question. Which state has roped in India's first ever woman ambulance driver? In the question can answer Tamil Nadu. 46th question. What is the duration of the next generation startup contest Chunauti launched by IT Ministry to boost startups and software products? The question can answer 3 years. 47th question. The mobile app Pension Corner has been launched by which organization for its retired personnels? In the question can answer CISF. Purushottam Rai, who has passed away recently, was conferred with the Lifetime Category Dronacharya Award. He was a coach for which sports event? In the question can answer athletics. 49th question. Test cricketer Taranga Paranavitana has announced his retirement from his international sports. He played for which country? The question can answer Sri Lanka. 50th question. Top Japanese player Ayaka Takashi has announced her retirement from which of the following professional sports? The question can answer badminton. 51st question. Assam government has signed an MOU with which country to set up the skill university in the state? The question can answer Singapore. 52nd question. Who represented India at the ASEAN India Business Council virtual meet held on 27th August 2020? The question can answer Piyush Goyal. The NRI Unified Portal has been launched by which state for overseas Indian and NRI residents of the state to provide them assistance and during the time of needs? The question can answer Uttar Pradesh. 54th question. The Bryan brothers have recently announced their retirement from which professional game? The question can answer tennis. 55th question. Who is the Defense Secretary of India? The question can answer Ajay Kumar. 56th question. The National GIS enabled land bank system has been launched in how many states? The question kana answer 6. 57th question. National Sports Day is celebrated in India to mark the birth anniversary of which legendary player? The question kana answer Major Dhyan Chand. 58th question. Pratiksha is the first in the series of 3 marine ambulances that were launched recently. The first of its King Marine Ambulances boats have been inaugurated in which state? The question kana answer Kerala. 59th question. What was the profession of A.R. Lakshmanan who passed away recently? The question kana answer Judge. 60th question. Which among the given universities has been conferred with Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy 2019? The question kana answer Punjab University. 61st question. Which organization has been appointed as the implementing partner for the India component of Nationally Determined Contributions NDC and Transport Initiative for Asia TIA? The question kana answer Niti Aayog. 62nd question. Joe Ruby, who has passed away recently, was a well-known animation artist. He was known as the co-creator of which famous cartoon series? The question kana answer Scooby-Doo. 63rd question. Name the top ranking Indian company in the Rabobank's global top 20 dairy companies list. The question kana answer Amul. 64th question. The ease of doing business report is released by which organization? The question kana answer World Bank. 65th question. India has recently been declared as the joint winner with which country in the Made in FIDE Online Chess Olympiad 2020? The question kana answer Russia. 66th question. Who has been elected as the new chairman of the Press Trust of India to replace Vijay Kumar Chopra? The question kana answer Havek Sarkar. 67th question. Who among these celebrities has been roped in as the brand ambassador of Myntra? In the question kana answer Kiara Advani. 68th question. Which platform has been launched by Ministry of Power for Renewable Energy in India? The question kana answer GTAM platform. 69th question. Government of India has a target to achieve 175 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by which year? The question kana answer 2022. 70th question. Who is the head of the committee set up by Ministry of Defence to review the effective utilization of the Armed Forces Headquarters Civil Services cadre? In the question kana answer D.B. Shekatkar. 71st question. What is the theme of World Coconut Day 2020? The question kana answer Invest in coconut to save the world. 72nd question. When is the National Small Industry Day observed in India? The question kana answer 30th August. 73rd question. Which university has topped the World University Rankings 2021? The question kana answer University of Oxford. 74th question. What is the rank of India in the list of the largest solar market globally as per the 2019 மெர்சர் குளோபல் லிஸ்டிங். இந்த கொஸ்டின்கான ஆன்சர் தேர்ட். 75th and last question. Which city of India is set to get the country's first regional voters awareness center by the Election Commission of India? இந்த கொஸ்டின்கான ஆன்சர் ஜெய்ப்பூர். இப்போ நம்ம எல்லா கொஸ்டின்ஸும் பார்த்தாச்சு. வேறு ஒரு வீடியோவில் உங்களை சந்திக்கும் வரை உங்களிடமிருந்து விடைபெறுவது உங்கள் பேங்கர்ஸ் ரேடார் யூடியூப் சேனல் அண்ட் டீம். நன்றி. பை பை. டேக் கேர்.